Country of origin is Mexico. The package dimension of the product is 6.1 cml by 13.2 cmw x 16.3 cmh. The package weight of the product is 6.4 ounces. Perfect highlights are only one application away right from your home. Everything to protect your hair and scalp is included in the kit. Make your hair as bold or as subtle as you want and get a flawless look every time. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. I use this every couple months. Works great on my hair. I love the conditioner that comes with it. I wish you could buy it separately. High lift, no orange. If you have dirty blonde to light brown hair, this will definitely give you the lift you're looking for.